Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have some happy mail, some hashtag swap and glue, and this is from the Vagabond Crafter here on YouTube. She does hauls, collabs, and she does some lovely project shares. So if that's something that interests you, please go head onto her channel and go check her out and then come back to this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in and see what we got. Oh wow, let's start off with this one because it's kind of broken up into two different little sections here. Okay. Oh, how cool! We got some lovely little puzzle pieces. That's really neat. I'm the oldest. I make the rules. Oh, that's pretty. I do like that. Oh, that's a pretty bird. I do like that. It's a little house made of bird food. Little dog chilling. How cute is that? Oh, that is precious. I really like that. That's really pretty. Hashtag free Britney. Ooh, I love that. Isn't that a cute little fake couple for the camera? Very nice. Love these shoes. Those are pretty. Oh, it's from Prada. Oh, wow. That one's really nice. That's really pretty. These are some great pictures. Thank you so much, girl. Is future a romantic idea for you? Ooh, I do like that one. Neat-o. We dance because we can. You sent me quite a good amount of magazine pages there, girl. So I'm like, what could be in here? And I've seen some of her other hashtag swaps with other people, and I don't know if that's the right word, but some of the pages she has sent in the past are like more on the ethereal side, or more on the how do I explain it, like caricatures. I don't know if that's even a word, but more cartoonish, I guess would be the word. And I'm already getting some ideas. So that's cool. Okay, so I just want to make sure that was one page. That's a thick page. Ooh, look at that. Oh yes, I hope my spread comes together really cool. 'Cause I've got a couple of ideas. I wish I knew what this said. Ooh, wow, check these out. It's another language. Wait, is this Mandarin? What? Sorry, bad tendency. Then we have that. Benventuno. I can't read that. I thought I could. Very cool. Wow, these are really nice. Here we go. So they're like book pages, like actual book pages. How gorgeous are these? Love those. So bright and pretty. Then we got some coloring pages here too. She definitely sent a massive variety. How neat is that? We got another one. I cannot wait to see what we come up with. It's gonna be so much fun. Lovely, lovely book pages. Wow, look at this. How pretty is that bed? Looks so cozy. I cannot wait to see what I come up with, so stick around. You guys, so y'all have made it to this portion of the video, and now I will be doing my spread. My idea on this particular spread is to do a multicultural spread, and I hope it doesn't offend anybody. I just thought it'd be something really cool to represent all of us, so, and like our diversity and our cultures. Okay, that being said, I'm really sorry. I hope that doesn't make people mad. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. As usual, I always walk y'all through the spreads that I have done with other collabs here on YouTube, with other creators. This one was my very first one that I ever did. This one was with Not Too Shabby Chic, Dale, here on YouTube. Hi girl, hope all is well. And then here, this one was another collab with Cara Mia's Corner, also here on YouTube. And this one was a surprise, hashtag swap and glue. So very happy that we did it. I had lots of fun. This one was another spread from the pages that Dale sent me. She sent me quite a few, so I did a second spread that I didn't get a chance to do the same day as I did the exact first one. And then this one is from the second collab that me and Not Too Shabby Chic did, and this one was in honor of my pastor that passed away not too long ago, and this was in his honor. And then this one is from Wanda, A Day in My World, and this one was dedicated to my birthday and carnival rides that I rode with my sister and my oldest. So there's that one. And this one is from Terry's Place here on YouTube. Love her. She sent me some beautiful pages, and this was to represent all the beautiful women coming together as a community and being crafters, and something that we can all relate to here. All right, let's go ahead and find a page here to work with, and let's go ahead and jump right in. So in the past times, I have not zoomed y'all in as much, but today I hope that's okay with you guys. Y'all will see my dry hands. I have not put lotion on them today, but we're going to take some of these papers that she's given me here, and I'm going to go ahead and glue that down. So I did my cutting off camera. I don't know how much of that y'all like when I do that, but okay, I'm gonna go ahead and lay these guys down, except I gotta trim off these edges so it doesn't hang off too much. And then I'm gonna put this beautiful couple here, somewhat like that. Also, I know that I always tend to forget to mention Carol's RecraftedBoutique is the creator alongside with Jovi for this lovely challenge, and I figured I would shout them out because from time to time I forget. So, ladies, pardon. Alright you guys, I know I didn't do a lot of talking in this video, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. And like I said before, I just want to preface that I did not mean to offend anybody, and I really hope that I didn't. I know that I don't have all the cultures or ethnicities on here, but maybe I'll do a continuation of more ethnicities and cultures as I get them, and I can continue on adding on. After all, I've got all these pages to work with. So I really hope that y'all enjoyed this, and I will catch y'all on the next one. And Nicole, thank you so much for sending me these lovely magazine pages. I had lots of fun. Sorry, I do have a little 3-year-old, so if y'all hear him in the back, my apologies. Y'all enjoyed the process, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye guys.